Today is Wednesday, March 16th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado 2-year only vacuum assist brake booster. This is from my friend Juan Galejos in Texas. And this unit will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is a fully restored show quality double chamber master cylinder and original Delco Moraine vacuum assist power booster. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored, and is ready for installation. And again, this is a 2-year only design for the E1 series Eldorado from 1969 to 1970, and it's indicative and depicted by the double tandem vacuum assist brake booster design and the original Delco dual reservoir master cylinder that's evenly dispersed. Totally unlike the predecessor 68 model and totally unlike the single diaphragm 1967 variant. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these dual tandem vacuum assist master cylinder brake boosters. This is George in Florida. Today is Wednesday, March 16th. Thank you very kindly.